From up here, I can see something truly extraordinary. A mother elephant has just given birth to three tiny calves. They're so small compared to her massive frame. The morning sun is shining softly over the open land, and the air feels still, almost like nature itself is holding its breath. Look closely, the first calf is trying to stand. Its legs are trembling. It pushes itself up, wobbles, takes one small step forward, then suddenly it falls. The ground catches it gently, but the effort is clear. Walking is not easy when you've only been alive for a few minutes. Now the second one tries. It leans against its mother for balance. She doesn't move much, just enough to let it feel safe. The calf lifts one foot, then another, but its legs give out, and down it goes. And there, the third calf. This one seems just a little more determined. It struggles up, sways side to side, manages careful steps. 3, and then drops to its knees. But this time it doesn't stay down for long.